Have you ever woken up and felt like your body just isn't ready to move? Like your knees forgot how to bend overnight? For so many older adults, this isn't just a bad morning. It's part of their everyday life. Stiff joints, aching knees, every step feeling like a chore. And the hard truth? It often doesn't go away on its own, unless we do something about it. By the time we reach our 60s, our joints have carried us through a lifetime of motion, and sometimes they start to feel it. In fact, the CDC reports that over half of seniors over 65 are living with chronic joint pain, and that number keeps growing. When ignored, joint inflammation doesn't just cause discomfort. It can take away your ability to move freely, and even affect your confidence to simply go for a stroll. Sure, painkillers offer quick relief, but they don't solve the root of the problem. What if your solution was actually in your kitchen? Here's the hopeful part. Some vegetables contain natural compounds that help soothe inflammation, support joint repair, and make movement easier. No pricey prescriptions. No worrying about side effects. Just honest, whole foods that work with your body, not against it. Today, we're going to explore 5 vegetables that experts recommend to help you regain comfort, flexibility, and that spring in your step. One of them contains a rare nutrient that might even help slow the progression of arthritis, and there's a good chance it's already in your fridge. Another works gently, like a natural pain soother, without the risks of medication. Curious about which one helps rebuild your joints from the inside out? Keep watching. This list may surprise you. These 5 everyday foods could transform how you walk, move, and feel, starting with your very next meal. Let's begin with spinach. What if easier mornings and smoother movement came from something simple, something already in your fridge? Spinach might not grab your attention at first, but this humble green could be your secret weapon against joint pain. Let's take a closer look at how spinach could be the missing piece in your daily wellness routine. This leafy green is rich in vitamin K, magnesium, iron, and a group of antioxidants like lutein that work deep in your tissues to calm inflammation. One single cup of spinach can give your joints more support than most over-the-counter supplements. Yet many people still overlook it. Why do we reach for pills when nature has given us something that nourishes and protects our joints naturally? Ask yourself, is your plate feeding your joints the care they deserve? If you deal with stiffness in your knees, discomfort in your hips, or tightness in your hands, spinach could be working behind the scenes to support you. Magnesium plays a role in cartilage health. Vitamin K helps keep your bones strong and inflammation low. Together, they help your joints move with more ease and less friction. It's almost like applying a gentle layer of oil, giving your joints more glide, less grind. Could skipping greens like spinach be speeding up how quickly your joints wear down? Many seniors don't get enough magnesium or vitamin K, nutrients that are quietly essential in maintaining mobility and easing joint stress. If we ignore that deficiency, we might unknowingly be choosing more discomfort and missing out on those joyful walks or spontaneous outings. Now, picture this. You wake up and stand without wincing. You reach, stretch, and move with a little more ease. Spinach isn't just about joint relief. It helps boost your energy, supports balance, and keeps you active for the little moments that mean everything. Moments with grandkids, peaceful walks, simply feeling independent. It's easy to add in. Toss a handful into your morning smoothie, stir it into soup, or build a crisp salad around it. It softens quickly, blends smoothly, and your joints will thank you every day. Just 1 cup daily could make each step feel a little lighter. Leafy green, let's talk about kale. To some, kale might just seem like another trendy health craze, but for older adults, it could be one of the most powerful allies in the fight against joint pain. Kale might be exactly what your knees, hips, and hands have been asking for, even if you didn't realize it. This leafy green is brimming with vitamin C, vitamin K, calcium, plant-based omega-3s, and antioxidants like quercetin, a combination that speaks directly to aging joints. Believe it or not, kale packs more calcium per gram than milk and far more anti-inflammatory power than your average lettuce. So why do so many people skip over it? Could your healthy salad be missing the one ingredient that actually supports joint longevity? As we get older, bone strength naturally decreases and joints start to feel the wear, but kale offers support where we need it most. Its vitamin K helps maintain bone density. Omega-3s offer a gentle cushion in the joints, easing inflammation and tightness. And vitamin C promotes collagen, the soft tissue that keeps joints gliding rather than grinding. If you're dealing with arthritis or thinning bones, kale becomes more than a food. It's part of your defense system. Could your body be quietly asking for more vitamin K and going unheard? The truth is, many adults over 60 are deficient in vitamin K. And when that happens, inflammation and bone weakening can sneak up faster than you'd expect. Imagine walking up a flight of stairs with no resistance, holding a coffee mug without that familiar wrist pain. Kale strengthens the muscles and bones you depend on every day, helping you stay active and independent for the moments that truly matter: gardening, morning walks, or maybe dancing at your granddaughter's wedding. Don't let daily aches become your new normal. Let kale gently shift the story. Massage it with a little olive oil and lemon for a simple salad. Stir it into lentils or soup, or blend it into a smoothie for a nutrient-packed start to your day. Even lightly steamed, kale holds onto its goodness, offering your joints real, soothing support with every bite. What if something as small as a floret could help protect your joints for years to come? It may resemble a tiny tree, but broccoli is one of nature's most powerful defenders against joint stress and damage. Let's explore how this everyday vegetable might just be your quiet champion when it comes to joint comfort and mobility. Broccoli is rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, calcium, fiber, and perhaps most importantly, sulforaphane, a natural compound known to fight inflammation right at the cellular level. Compared to many cooked vegetables, broccoli delivers more joint-supportive nutrients with every bite. So why settle for bland side dishes when broccoli offers real healing potential in every floret? Could your plate be missing one of the few vegetables that actively slows joint deterioration? For seniors, broccoli does more than nourish, it protects. Vitamin C helps produce collagen, that soft cushion between your bones. Sulforaphane actually blocks the enzymes that lead to cartilage breakdown, especially in osteoarthritis. And together, these nutrients ease movement, reduce swelling, and bring more comfort to your mornings. Think of it like armor, gentle but strong, surrounding your joints with natural resilience. If you're skipping broccoli, you might be missing out on sulforaphane and giving inflammation more room to grow. And when that happens, your joints may start aging faster than you feel, even though it's completely avoidable. Now imagine climbing the stairs without your knees protesting, picking up your grandchild without wincing, reaching for a shelf with confidence. Broccoli supports the small motions that give us the biggest joys: tying a shoe, stretching without stiffness, or simply walking without second thoughts. Relief might be closer than you think, and it could start with this one veggie. Steam it, roast it with a bit of garlic, or add it to a colorful stir-fry. Even a half cup a day is enough to start making a difference. For better absorption, enjoy it with a splash of olive oil, and let those healing nutrients do their work. It's a small daily habit, but one that supports a life of easier movement and more freedom. Roasted sweet potatoes, comfort food for your joints. Imagine if the food that brings you comfort could also bring comfort to your joints. Sweet potatoes, soft, warm, familiar, aren't just delicious. They may quietly be one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory foods you can put on your plate. Let's take a closer look at sweet potatoes and why they might be the unexpected hero in your journey toward healthier joints. These colorful root vegetables are rich in beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, fiber, and a key mineral you may not hear about often, manganese, which helps build and repair collagen. Compared to white potatoes, sweet potatoes are kinder to your blood sugar and far more generous when it comes to joint-nourishing nutrients. So why are we still reaching for foods that feed inflammation when sweet potatoes quietly fight it from the inside out? For older adults, they offer a gentle and natural way to calm joint inflammation with the help of antioxidants like beta-carotene, support collagen repair through their vitamin C and manganese content, balance joint fluid thanks to potassium, reducing stiffness and swelling. They don't just satisfy your appetite, they support the way you move, bend, and feel. Could ongoing joint discomfort be a quiet sign that your body's running low on potassium or vitamin A? Many seniors live with slow-burning inflammation and subtle nutrient gaps, without even realizing how much it's affecting their joints. Sweet potatoes fill in those gaps, simply, naturally, and deliciously. Picture this. You're stepping out for a walk without hesitating. You're lifting a bag of groceries without bracing for pain. You're moving through your day with a sense of lightness, not tightness. That's the kind of comfort sweet potatoes can bring, not just to your plate, but to your entire routine. And yes, you can enjoy them without sacrificing taste. Bake them soft, mash them with a bit of cinnamon, or slice them into oven-roasted fries. A little drizzle of olive oil brings out both the flavor and boosts absorption of those helpful nutrients. Just a few servings each week can gently support your joints, nourish your body, and make movement a little more effortless. Sometimes, healing really does come in the form of a warm, orange forkful. Getting older doesn't have to mean giving up your mobility. When you give your body the right tools, the right foods, it responds. Spinach, kale, broccoli, sweet potatoes, even vibrant red bell peppers. These aren't just vegetables. They're part of your daily toolkit to reduce pain, protect your joints, and feel stronger from the inside out. Because losing mobility isn't just about sore knees or tight hips. It's about freedom. The freedom to move without fear, to play with your grandkids, to enjoy your garden, your home, your life, without pain holding you back. Your body is still listening. All it needs is for you to feed it the right signals. And that journey, it can start as soon as your next meal. If today's video sparked a thought, gave you some hope, or reminded you of someone you care about, give it a like and share it with them. And don't forget to subscribe, because every day we share real, science-backed tips for better aging. From easing joint pain, to boosting memory, to building simple, healthy habits, we're right here with you. Thanks for watching, and remember, this is just the beginning of your health journey, and we're honored to walk it with you.